Welcome to Music Keys. I'm Rajesh here, your musical keyboard teacher. In our previous lesson, we learned how to give time for musical notes. Today, we learn a simple melody, a four-line melody where we apply time study for it. The melody is called as Bless Our Meeting Together. It is just a four-line melody where we apply time study for the musical notes. Listen carefully, focus on the counts. Let's play step by step on the instrument now. Now you see the musical notes on the display. I'll sing the musical notes. Watch. Sa ga pa pa ma ga re ne. Sa ga pa sa ni ta pa. All our crotchets. The last pa takes a value of 2 counts. Now we go the next 2 lines. Pa pa dha ga ma ma pa re ga ga ma re sa ni sa. All notes, all crotchets except the last sa takes a value of 2 counts. That is minimum. Now I'll sing the whole melody. Just watch. Sa ga pa pa ma ga re ne. Sa ga pa sa ni dha pa. Pa pa dha ga ma ma pa re ga ga ma re sa ni sa. Have a look on the notes now. We'll play the first 2 lines. Very easy. I'll sing the notes now. Sa ga pa pa ma ga re ne. Sa ga pa sa ni da pa. Again. Now we go to the next 2 lines. Hear me. Pa pa dha ga ma ma pa re ga ga ma re sa ni sa. Again. Pa pa dha ga ma ma pa re ga ga ma re sa ni sa. Very easy. Once again. The whole melody now. Bless our meeting together. Watch. Again. sa. Today we played a simple melody, Bless Our Meeting Together, using time study. Practice very slowly, carefully, focus on the counts. Don't rush playing the notes itself. Keep practicing. In our next video, we will be doing one more melody step by step. Subscribe my channel, Music Keys, for more easy piano lessons. Thank you very much.